Yeah, good afternoon, students. Let us go for again. Yesterday we did hyperbolic 2 marks, correct? Now let us do few integration 2 marks. Again, I am telling you in 2B. In 2B, what we did is circles. 2 mark, 1 4 mark, 1 7 mark has been done. And system of circles. 1 2 mark, 1 4 mark has been done. Right? Next, parabola. Parabola also I did 2 mark and 7 mark. Is it clear? Parabola, circle, system of circles we did. Next, ellipse and hyperbola. I did 2 mark in hyperbola, 4 mark in ellipse and hyperbola. 2 mark, 2 7 mark. But already we finished. Now, definite integration. And definite integration also, I did 7 mark, right? 4 mark and 1 2 mark. I did few 7. 4 mark you leave it in choice. 7 also, what I suggest to you is let it be in choice. Whatever the 7 marks I explain, you go through it 0. See, your chapters will be circles, system of circles, parabola, indefinite. Here 22 marks, here 6, here 9, here 18 marks. And I told you differential equation also. In differential equation, you do 2 mark, already I told you, order and degree, formation of a differential equation, eliminating the arbitrary constants, we did those 2 marks. So here 1 2 and 1 4 you have to do it. Is it clear? So this chapter, which is of 6. See here, 22 plus 6 plus 9 plus 18 plus 6. Here it is 24, 22 and 15. So almost all 5, 9, 4, 64 marks. Easily you can score if you concentrate on these chapters. Is it clear? But again, in these chapters you don't go only important. You have to do little bit more number of questions. Is it clear? Because nowadays, if you only go for important, is not giving important. Sometimes is going outside that important also. Okay, so be careful. Yeah, indefinite integration. Indefinite integration. Once again, let us see few 2 marks. First one, very important, secant square x into secant square x dx. First one, integration of secant square x into secant square x dx. Secant square x into cosecant square x dx. This I am going to write it as 1 by cos square x into sin square x, correct? Reciprocal of secant square 1 by cos square, cosecant square is 1 by sin square. That is integration of 1 means what? Cos square x plus sin square x by cos square x into sin square x. Is it clear? 1 I can write it as cos square x plus sin square x. Now I will take first sin square x, separate your denominator, sin square x cos square x, plus cos square x, separate your denominator, cos square x sin square x. And separate your denominator for both the numerators. Is it clear? Separate your denominator for both the numerators. That is integration of sin square gets cancelled, 1 by cos square x. Cos square gets cancelled, 1 by sin square x. Integration of 1 by cos square is secant square x dx plus integration of sin square x is integration of secant square x is tan x, integration of cosecant square x is minus cot x plus. Integration of secant square x is tan x and integration of cosecant square x is minus cot x plus c. Is it clear? Very important, which were asked so many times. Next, evaluate integration of sin power 4x pi cos power 6x dx. Sin power 4x pi cos power 6x dx. Sin power 4x pi cos power 4x into cos square x dx. Sin power 4x pi cos power 4x into cos square x dx. So clear? Sin power 4 by cos power 4 is tan power 4x by cos square x dx. It's nothing but tan power 4x into 1 by cos square is secant square x. 1 by cos square is secant square x dx. So tan x equal to t, secant square x equal to dt by dx, and dx equal to dt by secant square x, correct? dt by secant square x. Now replace everything. This I took it as t power 4 secant dx secant square x, as it is dx means dt by secant square x. Secant square x integration of t power 4 dt is t power 5 by 5 plus c. T means what? Tan x whole power 5 by 5 plus c plus c. But what is t we considered? Sorry, it's over now. So t we consider as tan x. Is it clear? Now, integration of log x whole square by x dx. Now put log x equal to t. Is it clear? Integration of log x whole square by x. Now put log x equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. Log x derivative 1 by x. T derivative dt by dx. Dx is x dt. Now replace it. Log x is t square by x into x dt. X gets cancelled. T square dt. Integration of x power n formula we are using. That is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus. Now t is what? T plus log x whole cube by 3 plus. Okay. Next, integration of 1 by x log x log of log x dx. Now put log x equal to t. This part you are going to take it as t. Now differentiate with respect to x. Log derivative is 1 by log x. Again 1 by log x derivative is 1 by x. dt by dx. dx equal to x log x dt. dx is equal to x log x dt. Now replace it. 1 by x log x. This I am going to replace it with t. This is x log x dt. Now these two gets cancelled. Integration of 1 by t dt, that is log t plus is log of t is what? Log of log x plus integration of 1 by cos hx plus sin hx dx. 1 I am going to write it as cos h square x minus sin h divided by cos hx plus sin hx. Now a square minus b square it is. That is cos hx plus sin hx into cos hx minus sin hx divided by cos hx plus sin hx. These two gets cancelled. That is integration of cos hx minus sin hx dx. Integration of cos hx dx minus sin hx dx. Integration of cos hx is sin x. Integration of sin hx is cos hx plus integration of sin hx is cos hx and integration of cos hx is sin hx. Is it clear? Next. Find integration of 1 minus 1 by x square e to the power x plus 1 by x dx. Find 1 minus 1 by x square e to the power x plus 1 by x dx. Now integration of 1 by x square e to the power x plus 1 by x dx. Now put x plus 1 by x equal to t. Derivative of x is 1. 1 by x derivative is 1 by x square dt by dx. And dx equal to 1 minus x square and dx equal to dt by 1 minus 1 by x square. Now replace everything. Integration of 1 by 1 minus x square e to the power t and now dt by 1 by 1 minus x square. Now these two gets cancelled. Integration of e power t dt. E power t plus e power x plus 1 by x plus what is t we considered? X plus 1 by x. Is it clear? Now integration of e power x into 1 plus x by cos square e power x dx. Integration of e power x into 1 plus x by cos square of x e power x dx. Now put x e power x equal to t. What is the t we should take? This is what you are considering t as. Is it clear? Importance of substitution. Put x e power x equal to t. Now differentiate with respect to x. X derivative is 1. E power x as it is. X derivative is 1. e power x as it is plus x as it is e power x derivative and dt by dx. E power x common 1 plus x dt by dx and dx equal to dt by dx is equal to dt by e power x into 1 plus x. Now integration of e power x into 1 plus x by cos square t, what is dx, dt by e power x into 1 plus x. These two gets cancelled. 1 by cos square t means secant square t dt. That is integration of secant square t is tan t plus c. That is tan of x e power x plus tan t plus c. That is tan of x e power x plus c. Integration of cos x plus sin x divided by under root of 1 plus sin 2x dx. Integration of cos x plus sin x by under root of 1 plus sin 2x dx. Cos x plus sin x by under root of 1, you write it as cos square x plus sin square x. Sin 2x, you write it as 2 sin x cos x dx. This is important. Cos x plus sin x in numerator and denominator under root of 1, you write it as cos square x plus sin square x. Sin 2x, you write it as 2 sin x cos x. Cos x plus sin x by under root of cos x plus sin x whole square dx. Square and root gets cancelled. Is it clear? What is left out? Cos x plus sin x by cos x plus sin x. Everything gets cancelled, 1 dx, which is x plus c. Which is one formulas, all based on formulas. One, you write it as cos square x plus sin square x. Sin 2x, you write it as 2 sin x cos x. Not only I did one, and how it looks like a square plus b square plus 2ab. That is a plus b whole square. Square and root gets. Is it clear? Next, 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x dx. 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x dx. 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x dx. 1 minus tan, you write it as sin by cos. 1 plus this is sin by cos dx. That is, take LCM. Cos x minus sin x. Correct now? And cos x plus sin x. Cos x gets cancelled after taking LCM. Cos x gets cancelled after taking LCM. Now put cos x plus sin x denominator equal to t. Put cos x plus sin x equal to t. differentiate with respect to x. Cos x derivative is minus sin x derivative is cos x. This is dt by dx. Dx equal to dt by cos x minus sin x. Dx equal to dt by cos x minus sin x. Dx equal to dt by cos x minus sin x. Now replace it. That is integration of cos x minus sin x by this is t into dt by cos x minus sin x. Now this and this gets cancelled. That is integration of 1 by t dt. That is log of, that is log t. What is t? Sin x plus cos x plus c. Right, no? What is t? Sin x plus cos x equal to t. Okay? This is about this problem. Next. Evaluate integration of e to the power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square dx. Evaluate integration of e power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square dx. E to the power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square dx. Now put tan inverse x equal to t. Put tan inverse x is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. 1 by 1 plus x square equal to dt by dx. And dx equal to 1 plus x square dt. Now integration of e power t by 1 plus x square. This is dt into 1 plus x square. These two gets cancelled. E power t dt. Integration of e power t is e power t only. It is e to the power tan inverse x plus c. Next, very important, evaluate 3x square by 1 plus x power 6 dx. Evaluate integration of 3x square. Integration of 3x square by 1 plus x power 6. See the solution. 3x square by 1 plus x power 6 dx. 3x square by 1 plus x cube whole square dx. Put x cube equal to t, then differentiate with respect to x. 3x square equal to dt by dx. Then dx is dt by 3x square. Now integration of 3x square by 1 plus t square. dt by 3x square. 3x square gets cancelled. 1 by 1 plus t square dt, which is tan inverse t plus tan inverse, but what is t I consider? X cube plus, is it clear? So integration of 3x square by 3x square by 1 plus x power 6. So x power 6 you write it as x cube whole square. Now x cube equal to t and 3x square equal to dt by dx. Next, evaluate integration of 2x plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 dx. 2x plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 dx. 2x square by 2x plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 dx. Now put x square plus x plus 1 equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. X square derivative is 2x. X derivative is 1. T derivative is dt by dx. Differentiate with respect to x. X square derivative is 2x. X derivative is 1. And t derivative is dt by dx. Then dx equal to dt by 2x plus 1. Integration of 2x plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 into dt by 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1 to x plus 1 gets cancelled. Integration of 1 by x square plus, what is this? This I should consider it as t, right? This is t, I should replace it. So t dt is log mod t plus log mod x square plus x plus 1 plus c. Log mod x square plus x plus 1 plus c. Now evaluate integration of sin x by sin of a plus x dx. Sin, you add and subtract a inside sign. Inside sign for this x, inside sign for this x, you add and subtract a and a, correct? Now integration of, this is like a, this is like b, sin of a minus b. Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b divided by sin of a plus x. Correct, no? Separate your denominator for both the numerators. Sin of a plus x cos a divided by sin of a plus x dx. Is it clear? Next, minus integration of cos of a plus x by sin of a plus x into sin a dx. Now cos a, write it outside. Cos a, write it outside. Sin of a plus x by sin of a plus x gets cancelled. 1 dx. Sin a is a constant. Write it outside. Cos of a plus x by cos sin of a plus x is cot of a plus x dx. Correct? Now cos a into integration of 1 is x. Sin a as it is. Integration of cot log mod sin of a plus x plus. Is it clear? Evaluate integration of x power 18 by x power 8 by 1 plus x power 18 dx. Evaluate integration of x power 8 by evaluate integration of x power 8 by 1 plus x power 18 dx. Now x power 8 by 1 plus x power 18 dx. X power 8 by 1 plus x power 18, write it as x power 18, you write it as x power 9 whole square dx. That is x power, now okay. Now put x power 9 equal to t. This part you are going to take as. Is it clear? That part you are going to take it as t x power 9. Now differentiate with respect to x. 9x power 8 dt by dx. Dx equal to dt by 9x power 8. Dx is equal to dt by 9x power 8. This integration of x power 8 by 1 plus t square dt by 9x power 8. X power 8 gets cancelled. 1 by 9 outside, t square dt. That is 1 by 9 tan inverse of t plus, that is tan inverse of x power 9 plus c. Is it clear? Integration of 1 by x plus 3 into under root of, whenever you come across like this sum, you have to put x plus 2 equal to t square and differentiate with respect to x. 1 equal to 2t dt by dx and dx equal to 2t dt. Okay, keep it like that. And here x you make it as subject, t square minus 2. Everything you replace in integration. 1 by x is t square minus 2, this is plus 3, into under root of this is t square into 2t dt. That is integration of 1 by t square plus 1, and this is t, this is 2t dt. dt gets cancelled, 2 outside, 1 by 1 plus t square dt. This is tan inverse of t plus, is 2 tan inverse t is how much? Under root of x plus 2. Is it clear? Now this kind of sums, integration of e power x f of x plus f dash of x dx is e power x into f of x plus c. That is the formula. Based on that questions, evaluate integration of e power x into sin x plus cos x dx. Evaluate integration of e power x into sin x plus cos x dx. Now solution. Integration of e power x into sin x plus cos x dx. So here f of x is what? Sin x. Then f dash of x is its derivative cos x. Means is they are side by side according to this formula. And what I should write? e power x into f of x is e power x sin x plus c. Is it clear? Right. Then your f dash of x secant square x. Correct now? So e power x into f of x. Right? Based on that formula, you write formula e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx is e power x into f of x plus c. That is only another formula is right. One more e power x into 1 plus x log x by x dx. E power x into 1 plus x log x by x dx. Is that is e power x into, separate your denominator for both the numerators, x log x by x dx. X and x gets cancelled. E power x into 1 by x plus log x. Now here your f of x is log x. Your f dash of x is 1 by x. Is it clear? So therefore, e power x into log x plus c. Okay. Now that's all for today. Let us see what we can. Again, I am telling you, these are your 2 marks, very important 2 marks of definite integrals, indefinite integrals. Already 2 marks of differential equation is done. So what are the 2 marks chapters you are going to do means circles, system of circles, parabola, hyperbola, indefinite integrals, and you do differential equation. 7 to 8 2 marks will be covered. Is it clear? So, then 4 mark and 7 mark as usual circles. Concentrate more on 4 chapters. Those who failed, I am talking about. Is it clear? So these are your 2 marks of indefinite integrals. Yeah. If you want to pass circles, parabola, and indefinite integrations, these 3 chapters, you are going to get your 50 to 55 marks. Is it clear? And do more number of sums from these chapters, because I said last 2-3 years people are going for only important questions and is not giving important, is giving some other questions. So because of that, I did most of the sums in these chapters. Not only important, I did more number of sums, so that if any unexpected surprise thing comes, still you should be able to do it. Is it clear? So tomorrow's just overall revision, whatever we did till now, just what we can do, and whatever the most again important questions, once again it will be revised tomorrow, and with that Monday onwards your exams. So practice a lot, that is very important in maths. If you don't do practicing, you can't remember, you can't mug up. Is it clear? If you try to mug up, if you try to remember also, by the time you sit in exam hall, you will forget the steps. Only few steps you will remember, other steps you will forget. But every step follows the other step. Is it clear? So just like that, nothing happens. So you should be careful and do the things in proper way. Is it clear? Okay, we'll see tomorrow.